Hello friends. Uh, in last lectures we already discussed that what is project, what is the project management, what is the importance of project management. Today we are going to discuss project management plan. The project management plan establishes the project. How the project management is establishes the project, and what are the importance, what is the need of project management. We are going to discuss these things in this lecture. So why do people learn project management? We already discussed that what is project and what is management. What is project? A project is nothing but to make the dreams into reality, and management is nothing but to make that dream into reality with the help of that different management technique. So here the management techniques might be a scheduling related, a budget related, cost related, and quality related. So there are different things which is to be managed by the project leader or project manager to complete the deliverables or project of the stakeholders or customers on time, and within the budget of the customer. So why do people learn project management? To explore the latest concept and techniques of project management. Yes, exactly. To explore the latest concepts. Now, to increase value or contribution to the organization, to prove yourself skillful in managing project. So what is organization and what is the organization structure? We are going to discuss this thing in detail in next lecture. Now next, to learn a new thought process that help organize thinking and structured approach, to acquire a professional degree or recognition and increase job prospects, endless possibilities and benefits. Yes, these are the different possibility and benefit which are come from the project management. So project management plan. Project management tells how work will be done. The key to successful project is an on the planning. All the detailed planning work from different aspects of the project is integrated into one single plan known as project management plan. The key to a successful project is on the planning. All the detailed planning work from different aspects or views of project is integrated into one single plan. Means there are different views which is to be collected by the project leader or project manager and make into or combine or integrated into one single plan, and that single plan is nothing but your project management plan. The input to this project management plan is nothing but input, that is goal, what should be your output or deliverable or project, team, and money or budget or time or schedule and equipment and resources, project, and finally we will get our output. The project management plan establishes the project, that is why is the from business cases, why and what are the management statement of success criteria and should be agreed with the project sponsor, who who will do the work and stakeholder awareness of the project, when deal with the schedule and phasing for the project, how, which is the project manager vision to implement project from beginning to end, and how much cover the cost and budget of the project. Yes, exactly. The PM plan, project management plan, establishes the project on different w's, that is why and what, who, when, how, and how much. Okay, now this is for project management plan. In next we will be this we are going to discussing the organization structure in different management plans, different project life cycles. Thank you.